What comes to your mind when you hear the words, world's most luxurious car? Maybe a Rolls-Royce with a starry ceiling. Maybe a Bentley with handcrafted wood polished by artisans. Or maybe an SUV so powerful it goes from 0 to 60, faster than your morning coffee kicks in. Luxury cars are more than just transportation. They're rolling pieces of art, engineering marvels, and status symbols all in one. Today, we're exploring the finest luxury cars on the planet. The machines designed to make their owners feel like kings, queens, or perhaps billionaires on their way to buy another yacht. So buckle up, or in this case, let your chauffeur buckle you up, because we're going for a smooth, leather-scented ride into the world of ultimate automotive luxury. 1. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. If the regular S-Class is business class, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is private jet luxury. Longer, more refined, and infinitely more indulgent, this is a car designed for those who prefer to be chauffeured. The exterior features a striking dual-tone paint job, applied by hand, taking over a week to complete. Inside, passengers are treated to Napa leather everywhere, reclining massaging seats, a refrigerator, and not one, but 4 infotainment screens. And the tech? Cutting edge. With next-generation autonomous driving aids, the Maybach can park itself, navigate traffic, and practically drive you home while you relax in the back with a glass of champagne. Under the hood, it doesn't mess around either. A twin-turbocharged V12 engine delivers over 620 horsepower, proving that the Maybach isn't just about luxury. It has the muscle to back it up. 2. Bentley Flying Spur. Next, the Bentley Flying Spur, the very definition of British elegance with a rebellious streak. Think of it as James Bond's limousine, sophisticated on the outside, ferocious under the hood. Powered by Bentley's iconic 6.0-liter W12 engine, it produces 635 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to send this 2.4-ton saloon from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, quicker than some sports cars. Despite its size, the Flying Spur handles corners with surprising grace, thanks to advanced suspension and all-wheel steering. Yet inside, it's all about comfort. Spacious legroom, handcrafted leather, polished wood veneers. It's a rolling lounge. The Flying Spur proves that you don't have to sacrifice thrill for comfort. You can have both. 3 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Luxury SUVs are everywhere, but none come close to the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Named after the world's largest diamond, this SUV is just as rare and just as dazzling. On the outside, it's pure Rolls, bold, elegant, and unmistakably grand. Inside, the Cullinan spoils you with features like the Starlight headliner, custom dashboard inlays, and even retractable picnic seats in the trunk. Sure, they may not be as comfy as the main seats, but they're perfect for enjoying champagne at the polo match. With a base price of $350,000 and endless customization options, the Cullinan is less a car and more an expression of personal taste. It's the SUV for those who want to conquer both mountains and boardrooms in equal style. 4. Mercedes-Maybach GLS. Mercedes knew the world wanted a Maybach SUV, and the Maybach GLS is their answer. Based on the Mercedes GLS, but infused with Maybach DNA, this SUV is chrome-heavy, bold, and unmistakably luxurious. Inside, it's a palace on wheels. Think first-class airline seats with reclining functions, ambient lighting to set the mood, fragrance diffusers to pamper your senses, and a Burmester sound system with 27 speakers. Yes, 27. For those who ride in the back, the legroom is enormous. And with dual 12.3-inch screens powered by Mercedes's MBUX software. The rear cabin feels more like a mobile home theater. This is not just an SUV, it's an executive lounge that just happens to have wheels. 5. Bentley Mulsanne. The Bentley Mulsanne is the last of its kind. A car that blends old-world craftsmanship with modern luxury. Sadly, Bentley has ended its production, but the Mulsanne remains a symbol of timeless elegance. Hand-built in Crewe, England, the Mulsanne's bodywork follows traditional coach-building techniques. Inside, you'll find details like an analog clock, handcrafted wood, and old-school instrument dials, reminders of Bentley's heritage. Power comes from a 6.75-liter V8, producing over 500 horsepower and enormous low-end torque, giving it effortless performance despite its 2.6-ton weight. The Mulsanne wasn't just a car, it was an era, a piece of rolling history that Bentley fans will never forget. 6. Range Rover S V Autobiography. Not all luxury cars are meant to stay on perfect city streets. The Range Rover SV Autobiography combines rugged off-road ability with absolute opulence. Inside, the cabin features handcrafted materials, 4-zone climate control, and a seamless integration of cutting-edge technology like the 10.2-inch infotainment screen and advanced safety systems. Yet it retains the classic Range Rover DNA. The SV Autobiography proves you can climb a mountain in the morning and attend a gala at night, all without switching vehicles. 7. BMW 7 Series. BMW is known for performance, but the 7 Series proves it can also do luxury. With a longer, wider kidney grille and sleek new styling, the 7 Series is more commanding than ever. Inside, it's a blend of modern tech and luxury. Digital driver's displays, ambient lighting, heated and ventilated comfort seats, and premium materials everywhere. Multiple engine options are available, from efficient 6 cylinders to powerful V8s, making it a versatile flagship. The 7 Series balances driving excitement with executive comfort, appealing to those who want the best of both worlds. 8. Lamborghini Urus. Enter the Lamborghini Urus, the supercar SUV. Loud, aggressive, and unapologetically Lamborghini, it's a head-turner wherever it goes. Its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pumps out 650 horsepower, catapulting the Urus from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, faster than many sports cars. Top speed, 190 miles per hour. Inside, the cabin screams Lamborghini. Sharp design, fighter jet-style switches, and enough tech to keep adrenaline junkies entertained. Despite the raw power, it's still comfortable enough for daily use. The Urus is proof that even practicality can be wild, loud, and ridiculously fast. 9. Audi RSQ8. Finally, the Audi RSQ8. Under the skin, it shares DNA with the Lamborghini Urus, but it comes wrapped in a more understated, refined package. It offers aggressive styling with RS enhancements, a luxurious yet sporty interior, and a twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers thrilling performance. Yet compared to the Urus, it's more comfortable and, believe it or not, more affordable, starting at around $115,000. The RSQ8 is for those who want Urus-level performance without shouting about it. 10. Rolls-Royce Phantom. We begin with the Rolls-Royce Phantom, often regarded as the ultimate luxury sedan. This car is instantly recognizable by its signature Rolls-Royce design language, upright stance, and of course, the Spirit of Ecstasy figure on the hood, quietly reminding the world who's boss. Step inside, and the Phantom feels less like a car and more like a luxury suite. The famous Starlight headliner lights up the ceiling like the night sky, and every detail is bespoke. Yes, you can literally ask Rolls to match the interior leather to your favorite handbag. Comfort is taken to extremes, with 130 kilograms of soundproofing making the cabin one of the quietest places on Earth. The 6.75-liter V12 engine produces 570 horsepower. But power delivery is so smooth, it feels less like acceleration and more like being gently lifted by angels. The Phantom isn't just a car. It's a statement that says, I don't just have money, I have taste. And there you have it, the finest examples of rolling luxury the world has to offer. From the serene Rolls-Royce Phantom to the wild Lamborghini Urus, each car represents more than just transport. It's identity, status, and personality on wheels. So here's the big question. If money was no object, which one of these luxury machines would you pick? Would you go for the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce, the sporty thrill of Bentley, or the raw excitement of Lamborghini? Drop your choice in the comments below. I can't wait to see which one takes the crown. Until then, stay classy, stay curious, and remember, in the world of luxury cars, even the cup holders are worth more than my entire car.